Hey, it's Eran here. I wanted to talk to you about affiliate marketing with Amazon. So one of my members, I just finished a call with her and I showed her how to sign up for Amazon. And I figured it's probably going to be helpful for people to know as well. So go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll notice the button right here. It says Become an Affiliate. Simply click on it. And then click on sign up. You'll see, you can read all the details here and read the FAQ. Click on sign up and then enter your email and phone number. Now on the email, this is critical. You need to type in your actual domain email address, not Gmail. If you do Gmail, it will not actually work and you will get disapproved and not paid. I'll tell you a little story. When I first signed up for Amazon as an affiliate, what happened is I used my Gmail account. I had no idea I'm supposed to use my domain email, contact@eranbucai.com. So I was using eranbucai at Gmail or whatever I was using. It was a Gmail email. Now what happened is that I made some money. I made $100 commission, and when I hit the threshold of $100, before they paid me out, they reviewed my account. And when they reviewed my account, they canceled my account. There was no appeal. I couldn't ask why. There was no answers. They just said you didn't meet the terms and conditions or something. I didn't even know which terms and conditions. And that was it. I signed up again with a Gmail, not knowing that was the issue. And then I made $100. They canceled my account. Second time. Third time, I signed up with a Gmail and again made $100. They canceled my account. At that stage, I met a top affiliate marketer in an event, and I told him about this problem. And I said, "Do you know why it's happening with Amazon? What's your recommendation?" And he said, "Have you using Gmail?" And I said, "Yes." He said, "That's why. Use a custom email." So I'm just passing that advice to you because when I did that, it worked. I made my $100 of Amazon and I've been making money ever since. I've been making money for at least 2-3 years of Amazon. Nothing great, but it's trickles here and there. So anyway, Amazon is not a great affiliate program, but it's just kind of easy money because there is always something you can promote from Amazon that you probably already buy yourself and that other people would need anyway. So it's really easy to just sign up and do that. So anyway, if you're not an affiliate, do that. And yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to share that. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, leave a comment from me. Ask any questions about affiliate marketing. I'd love to know if you have any questions. Thanks. And thanks, Dan, for the question as well. Appreciate it.